Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change audio speed in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Filmora application, and then I'm going to change the speed of this video, and then I'm going to select this menu, more option, and if we want to change the speed, we can select speed. And then here you can choose uniform speed or speed ramping, or you can choose all this menu, and I'm just going to choose this one, and we can customize the speed. For example, I'm just going to make it 2 times faster. Okay, and then here you can maintain the pitch, and you can select this menu if you want to reverse your audio. And let's play it. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you. Okay, and I'm going to try to disable this feature. And let's see. So if you don't want to change the pitch, you can activate this feature. Okay guys, and that's all the way to speed up video on Filmora. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.